Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out the OfficeJet 3830 all-in-one printer here. Alright, let's open this up, shall we? We'll just slide it out of here, perhaps. Looks like the easiest way to get this thing out of here is just grab the bag here, kind of slide it out. Got our instructions and everything right there. Ink cartridge. Power cord. Okay. And simply take off the styrofoam there. There we go. Pretty slick looking little printer here. Of course, take off all the little tape everywhere. Take that off. All right. There we go. And there we go. Should just be plug and play here. Let's get the power cord all set up. Well, you want to make sure you get all the tape out of everywhere, or else it's not going to function. Right here in the front, we have some more to get out of there. Some cardboard in here. Okay. There's that. More tape. Really didn't want anything moving around in here. That can just fold out there, okay. And then another tape right here underneath on that. Cardboard inside of there. All right, so got that out. I think that's it. There was a lot all over in the place. So we can just put in our, let's see, that opens up to access our ink cartridges here. Have to plug those in. And I think we're ready to go. So let's get those in there. Just open these up real quick. All right, so the power cord is right here in the back, just right in the bottom. This little paper thing comes up here. We'll put some paper right in there. Just like that, I believe. Oh, we just slide that little paper guide over. All right, lets us know. We can set up the date and all that on the little menu here. I'll do that real quick. Okay, I just set up the time and date. Now it's prompting me to put in the ink cartridges. So we got our little ink cartridges here. Simply open up the front, just pull this open. And then there's another little drawer right here. Open that up. Your little ink cartridge, let's see if I can give you guys a little bit better view here. So those just slide forward there. Basically, you just want to match up the colors. The color one here, make sure you remove the little tag there, or else it will not work. And then there's red here and red on here. So you just push them into the little thing here. Basically slide them in. And then just give them a little push. They lock into place. So the same thing with the black cartridge. You're going to see the little interface on here. That goes in there like this. So just kind of put it in there, give it a little push, and you're good to go. Then when you're done with that, shut this, and let's get rolling here. Okay, give me a little heads up thing. Copy, thank you for installing. Okay, load paper, done. Okay, so it's printing the alignment page. Very quiet. This little guy can just fold out there. We can put our paper right onto there. So it's cool if you're printing out your documents, they're just not gonna feed right onto the floor. But also when you want this tucked away, maybe under your desk or something, that just folds in. So it's completely in this nice little package here. So super smooth, quiet. It's cranking this page out real nice here. Never really, I mean, HP is like, you know, flagship, you know, the brand. They've been doing printers since printers were started, basically. So, oh, that's clean right there. That's a clean. Very nice and precise here. Okay, so now it gave us this little guy right here, and we just follow the instructions there. We'll scan this alignment page for best print quality. Lift the lid. All right. So this lifts up just like that, and then lift the lid, place this alignment page face down on the right front corner of the glass. So right front corner, there's right and front. Just gonna place that right there and hit OK. Scanning, and it's gonna do the little alignment thing. So, very cool. You can also, has this one on the top, so you can feed things in there. Copy. This little guy opens up right here. And so you can load in the papers that you want to copy. If you want to copy multiple things, documents, put them in there, and you can feed it through there. Okay, right now it's doing this little scan thing. This is super convenient for like documents, things like that, important pieces of paper. Maybe you need paperwork, you know, copies of birth certificates or whatever. This can just knock those out, and so you don't have to, you know, take the originals. Okay. Alignment is successful. Gave us a nice little thing there. You can finish the setup online, different things. Okay. This also can be accessed via the internet. Very handy. You can just connect over that with over the network too, with your phone, your computer, hook it all up. So plug and play, and it's good to go. So good on that. And printer update options, install automatically. Okay, home, business, okay, personal use. Just go through the little items here, but let's print something out here. All right, just connected to my internet. Just basically hit the Wi-Fi button, type in your internet password and all that. Good to go. Trying to print out this photo here, or this painting. So just hooked it right up to my computer, hit print. It discovered it on there, and border printing conflict with another printer setting. Hang on a second. Okay. Printing, this should be a little color photo here, like a waterfall thing. So let's see how quickly this does it. Yeah, connection was no problem. It didn't recognize it at first. I just unplugged the printer, plugged it back in, and then it just recognized it. So sometimes with electronics, that's the easiest way, is if it's not recognized right away, just do that real quick. But after that, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, I didn't know this was going to be full page. So this is pretty quick for a full page, like color one. Seems like it's starting to speed up here. Very good quality so far. Thinking a little bit about that. All right, so full color here in about, gives a little notice. So kind of a beautiful painting there. Colors seem pretty accurate. I mean, this is regular paper too, so this isn't like your normal like photo paper. You can do like glossy paper and put it in there, but check that out. It's really, really good quality there. Okay, my friends, well, seems like a great little printer here too. You can like fax, You can copy, it's just everything that you need to do for maybe your little home office or business or whatever, or just personal use. I mean, a lot of times we do our own taxes, print the stuff out, you know, whatever. But very handy little thing, super easy to set up, nice and convenient, compact, quiet. Yeah, great little printer. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.